Hey everyone, what's going on? Hope you're all doing good. On this episode, we're going to be going through and doing an oil change on this sled. It's the end of the season. I'm going to be doing it so it's ready to go next year. I'm doing a lot of work to it right now, so come next fall and winter time, it's going to be ready to rock and roll, fully equipped with all the maintenance and everything that needs to go into it. So tonight we're going to be draining the chain case oil, chain case fluid, and filling it back up. So doing a full changeover, and I'll show you how it's done. One of the first things you need to do is identify the fill plug and the drain plug, which vary on different snowmobiles and have different specifications. But on this snowmobile specifically, the fill plug is right there, right by where the feet go, which takes the Allen key, and right below it, basically straight down, is the drain plug, which also needs an Allen key, I believe. For the work that I'm doing here tonight, I'm going to be using the Polaris full synthetic snowmobile chain case lubricant. I would normally go with one of my own options of Amsoil, as I keep a stock on it, but this is what I had at hand. It was quick and easy, and this is what I'm going to go with. I believe it only takes short of 300 milliliters to do a full change, so this should cover me, and there should be no issues other than that. When doing this, it's important to remember that when you drain the plug, take the plug out and clean it off from all the metal shavings, as the chain case has metal gears and other components that wear down and shave, and it's important to take the bolt, which has a magnet on the end, and clean off all those metal shavings that have drained to the bottom of the chain case. As you can see, the drain plug is right there, basically right below the top one.
Draining it, but nothing's coming out.
Hold on a second. Chain case.
There it is.
Oh,
Same time. See this little? After it's drained, you're gonna want to get a funnel, line it up like this, and then you'll know it's full once it starts to overfill a little bit. So we're gonna try and go up top.
They're clear at the bottom now.
And it's just starting to leak out the top, so I'll just top it up. Yeah, so it is overflowed, and now we're gonna finish the job by putting this screw back in and cleaning it up. As you guys can see here, the chain case oil was very dark and gray. It needed a change badly. Now that change is done, it's going to be ready to rock and roll next fall, next winter. And it's good to sit here all summer like that. It's a good thing to get done in the off season, so you don't have to worry about it next year, and it'll last all of next year, and you won't have to worry about it. Thanks guys, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.